Hi again, boys and girls. So I had told you that right away we're going to start writing in our writer's notebook and we're going to start brainstorming ideas. These ideas, once again, are going to be a list or a drawing or something and it's all about you, all about your memories, and hopefully the goal is you'll have all of those in front of you that when your teacher says, okay, everybody, pick a topic to write about, then you get to go back to one of these brainstormings, pick one topic, and then start a new page and start writing about that topic, okay? I'm going to make it easier. So we're going to do our first brainstorming together, like I told you, and we're going to do a drawing. You're going to trace your hand. So you're going to get your own writer's notebook out, okay? See, so I have mine in front of me. You can get your writer's notebook out, put it in front of you, and you are going to trace your hand. See on the screen right now, I have one that's kind of done a little bit so that you can copy the letters, but you're going to take that and you're going to just trace your hand and it's going to look really good however your hand is. And I'm tracing mine as we speak to show you how easy it is. Oh my gosh, there it is. And that's what you're going to have in front of you on your writer's notebook. Then at the top, okay, at the top up here, you're going to put the title of your brainstorming today, and it's called The Feeling Hand. So everyone right now, I want you to recopy what I have on the screen, The Feelings Hand, and put it at the very top. And you can even press pause on my video, and if you need more time to copy. I always put today's date because I like to know when about I wrote this. It's kind of fun. Now, a little secret. I have done this video and this activity in August, like the middle of August. So that's the date I'm going to put. Oh, and always underline the title. I don't know if you can see. See, mine looks just like on your screen. And that's what yours should look like on your paper. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to, in each finger, you're going to copy on the left. I brought the anchor chart with us. So on the left, the feelings hand, you see it has the word gloomy. Do you see all of that? Each finger has a different feeling. So when you go to that, I want you to recopy it. So the pinky over there on the left, it's gloomy. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. See, I copied gloomy. You're going to do the exact same thing on your paper for all of them. Next one, nervous. Again, you can pause me at any time and take your time with this. No worries. Afraid is the next finger. Proud. Lots of things to be proud of. P-R-O-U-D. And then the thumb says angry. And in the very middle in the palm, it has excited. Okay, so whenever you press play again and you're double checking, it should look just like that. Now, notice there's nothing personal there yet. No, that's where we're going to put our own memories, thoughts, and ideas in. Just like the hand that's there, you're going to put anything that comes to your mind, you're going to put it beside that finger, beside that word. So for example, when you're thinking like, oh, something you're excited about right in the middle. I know that I get excited, as it says, about meeting students and Thanksgiving. So I'm going to put meeting students and Thanksgiving, just like on that hand that's here. It's your turn. You're going to press pause right now or just wait it out. Maybe I'm giving you enough time and put a couple things down that you're really excited about, like a bike ride, a big pool party. I don't know. Okay. And then you're going to go over to the thumb and it says angry. And you're going to put a couple of your ideas of times you've been kind of angry or what makes you angry. I know with me, I have down when people don't listen. That often makes me a bit angry. and upset. So that's one of the things I'll write down. I hope you're getting the idea. I want you to press pause or stop or whatever you're going to do. And I want you to fill out your feelings hand. All right? That's what I want you to do now. Once you're done, okay, you press pause, now you press play. Once you're done, I want you to look through all of them again. I want you to read all of the ones that you have. Take a moment to do that. Press pause again on my video if you want to. Watch the whole video and do this afterwards, whatever you're comfortable with. This is when you're going to look through and you're going to put a star, okay, put a star right next to the topic that you would probably like to write about today. What are you feeling like today? I know which one I'm going to choose. Okay. I chose, of course, I'm excited about meeting new